The easiest way to transfer photos and videos and other types of files from your Galaxy Z TriFold to your Mac is simply using a USB flash drive, right? So this particular USB flash drive is a Type-C flash drive. If you have the Type A flash drive, the older flash drive types, then you can use an OTG adapter. But for this one, since it's a double-sided flash drive, which I'm going to link down below, by the way, I can just plug it in straight to the Type-C port of my phone. Simple as that. Now, once it's plugged in, all I have to do is go to the My Files app. Now, in the My Files app, from the home page, you can see we have the internal storage and we have USB storage 1. So go to the internal storage and find whatever it is you want to copy over. So I'm going to go to that folder and find my photos and videos. I can select copy from here, and then from this pop-up window, scroll across, select USB storage, and then choose a folder on your USB storage device and select copy here. And those photos and videos are going to be pasted there. Now you can eject your USB flash drive. So let's tap there, and then actually let's go back to the home page. You'll see a USB storage device. Tap there and select unmount. And now you can safely remove the USB storage device and plug it in straight to your Mac or MacBook. All right, simple as that. Now when you go into your Mac, you can see we have a new accessory. Let's go ahead and click on allow. There it is. So I'm gonna double click on it to open. Let's go to that DCIM folder, and you can see our photos and videos from the phone are right here. This is the easiest way to transfer photos and videos and other types of files, especially when you don't want to lose quality. Thanks for watching and good luck.